So guys, pupunta tayo sa Pinoy Fest. So dito ako nagwo-walking dati. Pakita mo yung ganda ng mga trees. So yan, so tayo nag-parking sa banda ron, sa lilim. So samahan nyo kami, Pinoy Fest. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. So guys, Crepe Myrtle. Kita nyo naman haba niya. So ayun na ang Pinoy Fest. Oh, haba ng parking. Dito sila nag-parking sa side.
Hi guys, so we're here at the Pinoy Fest, and as you can see, there's a lot of cars right there, and then more over there, if you can see it.
So a lot of people, a lot of Pinoys probably here.
And then there's a lot of porta potties, and
yeah, if you want to go, you can go. So let's see what they have. Daming nakapark.
look at all the cars.
Tao.
Hi guys, as you can see, there's a lot of people already. Dang. Well, like barbecue.
Guys, lots of Pinoys. No, they got a lot of foreigners too. Where we are going to start. So let's start. Here you go.
Saan tayo?
Saan tayo?
Daming line.
What's the line for? Bibili rito. Poster. So guys, they have a lot of things here. Food, shirt, a lot of stuff. Smoothies, a lot of things. So guys, susundan natin si Pamangkin Richard Paul at Madam Donna kung anong bibili nila. Eto sila. May Pamangkin Richard.
Hi guys! Ito yung sa farmers.
Sa farmers.
Wala nang pila.
Uy, number 10 eh?
So guys, there's my nephew. They're going to buy something cold to drink. So we're just here at the shade of the tree. It's too hot.
Ewan ko kung magkano eh. Apat kayo.
So guys, etong pinilahan ni Pamangkin Richard Paul. Ano ba itong nabili niyang yan? Pineapple smoothies yata. So ayan, tikman, taste test.
Pwede na.
Oo. So pipila guys sana kami sa halo-halo. So yun guys, nakita nyo sa dulo, ubod ang haba ng line. Yun, halo-halo. Landslide, ang haba ng line. Tsaka napakainit
Taga sa
pa.
vlog, Ate Lu. Taga sa vlog.
Hi! Ayan, dito kami sa Pinoy Fest. Alright. So ako naman guys ang titikim. Tikman natin. Pampapawi guys ang init ng panahon. Oh, pineapple. Sarap. Matamis siya.
Ayaw mong pumila kaya malaking gusto. Kaya ayaw mo.
Masarap.
Nakakaniwala ka sa. Wala ko naman sa initan eh.
Ay, pasok tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Yan, puno mo yan.
Ano yan? Ito. Una is the 4 days of the week.
We're by the So there you have it guys, the latest happening here sa Virginia Beach. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!